Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is So by me Juliana. Please, if today is your first time watching my video, please do subscribe and also do not forget to turn on your notification bell to know when I upload new videos. So today we'll be making a no-sew scrunchie. No-sew scrunchie. Last time, a couple of days ago, I made a video on how to make the one you can sew, just a regular scrunchie. But today we are making a no-sew scrunchie. You don't have any, you don't need any sewing machine or needle or no sewing or stitches of anything. Just do it. So now, what you need for this tutorial, we are using a felt material. This is felt fabric. You guys know what is felt. If you don't know what it is, when you go to fabric store, ask them about it. This is my felt. I have here pink and purple color. So what you need is to get your felt fabric, or you can use any fabric of your choice, and also you need your elastic. You see my elastic here. Either you use white or black. Today I'm using black. And you need a safety pin like this. This is your safety pin, and you need your scissors. So let's get started. So when you have your fabric, as you guys can see, I've already cut out my felt here. They are ready to go. So this is how I folded it. But it depends on how you want it. If you want it big, bold scrunchies, you can cut your fold your fabric in a bold shape so that you can be able to cut it. So I folded mine like so. See, this is it. I cut it like this, like a longer line or rectangular kind of, and I folded it like so. See, like into 3 to 5 places. You can do it so that all of them, it will accommodate, nothing will be left out. So like so, and this. So now the next thing to do is to trim off gradually to make this the circle shape. As you guys can see here, I trim it gradually, the edges, to make the shape. I put my scissors in between like so to separate it. Then I start to like trimming it off to form this circular shape. Because if I do it the other way, you might not be able to have enough fabric to go around cutting. When you want to cut like folding it the way you cut a circle, you might run out of fabric. I don't have enough fabric. You can as well do it the way you can fold normal, how to cut a circle, cut out a circle. But today, because I don't have that much, so I chose to do it this way. So now I have my like a circular shape. The essence of doing this is to have your circle. So now, after cutting this, let me remove excess all this. I'll throw them in the garbage. So after doing this, after cutting it like so, the next thing to do is to take it like so, fold it like this into two, put it like so, and use your scissors. See, you give it two openings. Let me do it again. Fold like so into two, and then make a snap here. Just a little cut. You see, the essence of making this, creating this opening, is to have a space where we insert our elastic. This elastic. So you have to do it to do all the felt, all the fabric you have available. And after doing that, the next thing to do is to use your pin like this. This pen, I'm going to use it today, like so. This is our elastic. Before we start inserting it into our felt, I'm gonna tie it like here. I'll tie it twice just to hold it like a wedge in order to prevent the elastic or the elastic going through the. So now the next thing to do is to insert my pin, my safety pin, like so. And now we'll start inserting it like so. You see what I'm doing? Today I'll be mixing it up. I'll first of all, I've already inserted the purple one. Now goes the pink one. Another one, pink one. Just go with whatever style you want to do. I'm just doing this. This is what I have in mind, like what I want to do, the way I want to do it. But you can choose to do it the other way around, you know, depending on what you want. You see, it's coming together gradually. After we're gonna, so I'll keep on doing it like so till we get to the end. It doesn't take time, just simple steps, you'll get it done. Like I said before, you don't need your sewing machine to do this, so we'll keep inserting it as much as we can, depending on how you. This one doesn't have enough opening, so we'll leave it aside. You guys can see how I'm inserting it. You have to make sure you make your cut in a way that it will fit, like they will align together, the same shape together. And I think as much as you can put, as much as you can insert through this, it will make your scrunchie to come out beautiful and bold, you know. So the more fabric, the much better, unless you want it small, you don't want it so big. So we continue like so, insert, and some of them I put a snap some of them, but they didn't actually open truly. I'll keep on. I think I have enough. I think I'm gonna insert everything, because remember, the more quantity the better. So let's keep on doing it. You see the whole idea? Can you see that? So I'll put few more, and I'll leave it. I'll put few more. I don't have enough. Okay, I think I have. Oh, I didn't see clearly. So another pink. Just insert as much as you can, depending on what you want. If you want it so big, like I said before. Now I think we have we already have we have enough now. So after inserting this last two, I will leave it. I think we have enough now. So this is the whole idea. You guys can see. You see. So the next thing to do now is to remove it from the pin and remove it from the pen. You can use maybe choose anything you want to, just to hold it. You see the essence of tying it up here. If I didn't tie it up here, everything will just I will start afresh. So now I will leave this like this. You see how I tie this? I will tie this one too before we tie them together. So now the next thing to do now is to tie both ends together. Tie it as much as you want, the way you want it. If you want it so tight, you do it at this stage. Your scrunchie is ready. You have yourself a beautiful scrunchie. So now use your hands and I'll remove the excess elastic here. So use this to cover it a bit. And your scrunchie is ready. You guys can see. You see? No so scrunchie. And just in a few minutes, you have yourself a beautiful scrunchie. You can use this to tie your hair, your braid, those with long hair and all that. Just as beautiful as, see, your scrunchie, our scrunchie is ready. So this is the end of our video. Please do like the video, and if you have any question on how to get it done, leave your comment, leave your question on the comment section. I will gladly get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys, and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe if today is your first time. Please do subscribe. Thank you. See you guys next time. Bye.